Welcome back to our NILS home school. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shildi Shaha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Dear student, today I am going to take your BGS class, that means Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the student of class 3. Our today's topic is general knowledge. Dear student, you have already known that this topic we have already done in your previous class. Today it is our revision class. So let's get started our class. Subject general knowledge. First question, what is the official name of Bangladesh? We know the name of Bangladesh, the official name of Bangladesh is the People's Republic of Bangladesh. And 2, when was Bangladesh liberated? 16 December 1971. Number 3, when is the Independence Day of Bangladesh? Answer, 26 March. 4, what is the capital of Bangladesh? We all know Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Number 5, what is the total area of Bangladesh? Answer, 1,47,570 square kilometers. Number 6, what is the name of our parliament? Jatiyo সংসদ. 7, who is our national poet? We know that Kazi Nazrul Islam is our national poet. Number 8, which is the International Mother Language Day of Bangladesh? Answer, 21st February. Number 9, which is the hottest month of Bangladesh? Answer, May. 10, where is our national memorial situated? Answer, Sabar, Dhaka. 11, which is the biggest island of Bangladesh? Answer is Bhola. 12, which is the largest forest of Bangladesh? Sundarbans. 13, when is the Christmas Day observed? 25 December. 14, which is the populous division of Bangladesh? Dhaka. 15, what is the staple food of Bangladesh? Rice. 16, what is called the golden fiber of Bangladesh? Answer is jute. 17, who is the first Bangladeshi to conquer Mount Everest? The answer is Musa Ibrahim. 18, which is the longest sea beach of Bangladesh? Answer, Cox's Bazar sea beach. 19, in which continent is Bangladesh situated? Answer is Asia. We all know that Asia is the largest continent among all continents. 20, when is the International Children's Day observed? Answer is the first Monday of October. International Children's Day is observed. 21, what is the ratio of our national flag? Answer is 10:6. 22, what is the currency of Bangladesh? Answer is Taka. 23, which is the highest mountain peak in Bangladesh? Kazindong. 24, which is the longest river in Bangladesh? Answer is the Meghna. And 25, who is the architect of Shohid Minar? The answer is Hamidur Rahman. Dear student, you know that in your general knowledge section there are 25 there are 25 general knowledge questions you will get in your lecture sheet, and among them these questions you will get only 10 general knowledge questions in your exam. So you have to prepare by yourself. So dear student, hope you are doing well at home. You are taking your preparation for your examination. Before exam, half yearly examination, it is your last class. So best wishes for your examination. Thank you all of you. See you next.